Hey y'all, welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back if you're a subscriber. If y'all want to see the get ready with me on this makeup look, we're not going to make this intro too long. We're just going to jump right into it. So we're starting off with our e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. It's so sticky, it can literally, the bottle can stick to your face. Like, if that's not a good primer, I don't know what is. I start off with spraying my face with the Marshmallow Setting Spray by NYX. It smells so freaking good. It has marshmallow extract in it. Love it, love it, love it. I use the Freeze Wax for my brows with the Ruby Kisses Eyebrow Pencil in dark brown. Then I use my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Y'all already know the deal. She is the OG. And then I went ahead in with my Kiss Natural Finish Liquid Foundation, which I know this shade, Cappuccino, is way too orangey for me, but we're gonna fix it, right? We're gonna use our concealers, we're gonna use our contours, and we're gonna make it right. We're gonna make it right, okay? So just trust the process, right? I put the white in the inner corner, and then I put light yellow, and then I put the medium yellow. After I blend it out, I go in with my Mousse Cream Blush. Ugh, I love this blush. It's so beautiful. Look how it blends out so naturally. It just looks, chef's kiss. After I blend this out, I go in with my Perfect Finishing HD Powder by e.l.f., which you can get from Walmart, okay? All of these products are extremely affordable, okay? So don't be discouraged. You can go and get this makeup right now, all right? So as I'm doing my makeup, I'm setting with that marshmallow spray in between each of the steps. So after I finish with all my liquid makeup, I go ahead and spray, let it dry, and now I'm setting with my HD powder. And then after I set with the HD powder, I spray again with the marshmallow spray. As I let that dry, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eye look, okay, using this perfect palette that my big sis got me. So gorgeous. This palette is so gorgeous. She also got me the blended out Holler and Glow makeup brush set. These are so gorgeous, y'all. Ugh. I'm going in with this lavender shade on the outer corner. I always use my finger when I need more pigment and the palette isn't giving like hella pigment. Like, look how gorgeous this is. Oh my gosh. Like, so again, a tip for eyeshadow that isn't as pigmented, use your finger. Next, we have the eyeliner. This is what really, I feel, put the look together. I decided to do my wing going straight out from the outer corner of my eye instead of lifting it up at an angle towards my eyebrow. And I really feel like I really feel like it gave my eye shape like a nice accent, if you know what I mean. I went in with this Eye Envy Mink Impact Lash in the number 3, I believe. And then I went ahead and did the inner corners of my eyeliner very carefully. If y'all want a separate tutorial on that, I will probably be making one soon, so stay tuned. Now, the under eyeliner part of this look is what is really going to make your eyes look like a siren, okay? So not only the inner corners, but I went in with this black eyeshadow from the Perfect palette of Holler and Glow, and y'all see the difference between the two eyes, okay? Clock that T. Gaga, claps. So I went ahead and finished the other eye and went in with my e.l.f. Lash and Roll Mascara, which I love a curved mascara brush because it just makes the job that much easier. Now for the lip combo, I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses, the eyebrow pencil, but I'm using it for a lip liner. So you got to do what you got to do. And then I went in with my NYX Lingerie XXL matte lip in the color Pushed Up. I love this color. It's so natural. And then I go in with my L'Oreal. I believe this is either Candyman or Box O Chocolate. I'm really not sure, but it's definitely one of those lighter shades. Ruby Kisses also makes these beautifully scrumptious, juicy, jellylicious lip gloss. I'm using the one in Ice Kiss, and oh my god, this absolutely tied the entire look together. I always use a Q-tip to clean the lipstick off the inner part of my mouth so it doesn't get on my teeth. I'm going in with this outdated BH Cosmetics palette for my nose contour. Then I go in with my Fit Me pressed powder in the color Coconut 360. I use this Master Blush palette to highlight more blush on my face. Spray with the Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. This ate so bad. And yeah, that's gonna basically end this video. Also, if you want to see how I did these nails, that is also on my Instagram, so y'all go check that out. With that being said, thank you for listening, watching, and existing. I'm Ariel. Until we meet again, bye.